And then from a leadership perspective, we've always felt you got to lead from the front. Uh, I know that if I don't work, let's say on a Saturday, very few people are going to work on a Saturday. If I work on a Saturday, 15 people who work for me are going to be there, and then 220 people who work for those 15 are going to be there. So if you believe that at a certain stage you need hard work or there's a problem that needs to be solved, you have to lead from the front, and you can't ask anybody to do anything that you won't do yourself. So that's a very important part of our leadership element. We also think from a leadership perspective, the best people in your organization have to be promoted to be the leaders. And we're a technology driven company, so most of our leaders tend to be some of our best engineers. Although they may not be doing I don't do technical work anymore, but the best of the best have to be the leaders, and they generally tend to be able to inspire people. The final test of leadership, of course, is can you make 2 + 2 = 5? If you've got 4 people in your in your branch, your department, or whatever, is the combined output of those 4 folks greater than what it would have been individually? And that's where the leader's skills as a manager come to the fore. How does he mentor them? How does he complement their weaknesses? How does he train them to improve on their strengths? And doing all that all the time creates a unit that can generate more than what they would have been generated with an ineffective leader. Morale is a very important part of any company, and leadership is important right from the first level to the highest level to maintain a high morale. There are ups and downs in any project or in any company. The ability to understand when there are downs and when you have to pat a guy on the back versus when you have to push him to do more, a very important element of a leader. Very few people realize that leadership doesn't just mean doing the same thing consistently all the time. You have to play different roles at different times. Your team depends on that. So those are some of the issues.